everyone, this is your host, Chef Andrew from Keto Fine Dining, and welcome back to my channel. Now, I don't know about you, but I really miss eating pizza on a keto diet. I know that of course there are options like pizza crust from almond flour or even cauliflower, but to make such a crust is usually very labor intensive, and compared to real pizza crust, in my opinion, it just tastes okay. And for something that doesn't taste absolutely amazing, is not worth the effort and especially your valuable time, right? Well, today I want to share with you a way how you can enjoy all your favorite pizza flavors with an amazing satisfying chewiness that real pizza brings with practically no carbs at all. And it's ready in literally under 2 minutes. Are you ready now? The secret is in pork rinds. You see, pork rinds are usually dry and crispy, but when you combine it with melted cheese, they become soft and chewy, quite similar to real pizza crust. The only thing you have to do is to combine it with your favorite pizza toppings, and you have something that tastes absolutely amazing and it's gonna blow your mind. So the first thing we're gonna do is to mix about half a cup of shredded cheese with about 3 to 4 cups of pork rinds in the oven-safe plate or a baking tray. Make sure the cheese is spread out evenly among the pork rinds. After that, let's add some pizza toppings of your choice on top of the pork rinds, and then spread out another half a cup of cheese on top. Now let's put it in the oven and cook it under broil setting set to low, just until the cheese is melted. And when it's done, you can put some sugar-free ketchup on top if you prefer, since we didn't use any pizza sauce. Trust me, it tastes much better if you use ketchup at the very end after pizza is finished. Oh god, I can't wait to eat this. I'm so excited. Let's give it a try. Absolutely incredible. It's absolutely perfect. It may not look like it, but honestly it tastes more like real pizza than any other keto pizza recipe I have ever tried. I can't even describe how delicious and satisfying it is. I highly recommend you give it a try and you'll be mind blown how delicious it is. Wow. So guys, if you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel because I have a lot more delicious keto recipes like this one that I want to share with you. I'm gonna finish this delicious pizza and I'll see you very soon in the next episode. Bye!